Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your external microphone is being recognized as headphones on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the start menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best result should come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select additional troubleshooters on the right panel here, and then you want to scroll down underneath Find and Fix Other Problems and select Speech. Get your microphone ready and fix problems that may prevent Windows from hearing you, and select Run the Troubleshooter. And then again, see if you can go along with the prompts here. Again, recognize what you're reading here and just go ahead and actually follow along with the prompts. And then see if that resolves the problem. If you're still having an issue, you can try opening up the start menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel here. So go ahead and open that up. Set your view by up here in the top right to large icons. And then select Sound. Select the Recording tab. And then right click on your microphone device and select Enable if there is an option there. Otherwise, do not click on Disable. That means it's not disabled, it's enabled. So if you right click on it and there's an option to enable, go ahead and select that. And then once you're done with that, you just go ahead and select Apply and OK. Close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.